Good day. Welcome to I Hope channel. In today's episode, we will study the environmental forces and business environment.
Environmental forces. Business environment refers to factors or elements affecting a business organization. It is divided into general external and specific internal business environments. The external business environment includes the factors and elements outside the organization which may affect the organization either positively or negatively. The internal business environment, on the other hand, refers to the factors or elements within the organization which may affect its performance either positively or negatively. General external business environment includes economic, socio-cultural, political-legal, demographic, technological, and world and ecological situations. Economic situation has many factors or elements. It includes inflation, rates of interest, changing options in market, and people's spending habit. Economic situation may affect management practices, like for example, companies may postpone expansion plans if bank loan interests are too high. Socio-cultural situations include the customer's changing values and preferences. Customs could also affect management practices in companies. For example, Filipino customers are now conscious about the importance of avoiding fatty foods, so many food companies now make sure that the products they offer are cholesterol-free. Political legal refers to the national or local laws, international laws, and rules and regulations that influence organizational management. For example, labor law related to firing their employees without due process require the former to allow the latter to exercise their right to present their position during disciplinary action before their employment can be terminated. Demographic situations such as gender, age, gender educational level, income, number of family members may also influence some managerial decisions in the organizations. For example, decisions regarding hiring of human resources that may affect the organization management policy that shows bias in hiring of married females who are in the childbearing age because they would like to minimize the payment of maternity leave. Technological situation of companies involves the use of varied types of electronic gadgets and advanced technology such as computers, robotics, and microprocessors. For this world has rapidly changed the ways that business is conducted. World and ecological situations are related to the increasing number of global competitors and markets, as well as the nature and conditions of the changing natural environment. Products produced by companies must cater to the changing needs of people in the global community while considering the changing natural environment. For example, a car manufacturing managers must give the go signal for the development of vehicles that are environmental friendly. Specific internal business environment includes stakeholders, suppliers, pressure group, investors, and employees. Stakeholders are parties likely to be affected by the activities of the organizations, while customers are those who patronize the organization's products and services. Increasing customer satisfaction makes it necessary for manager of organization to make crucial decisions regarding the development of products with higher value and the improvement of their services to meet the customer's increasing demands. Suppliers are those who ensure the organization's continuous flow of needed and reasonably priced inputs or materials required for producing their goods and rendering their services. Inputs mentioned also include financial and labor supply. Pressure groups are special interest groups that try to exert influence on the organization's decisions or actions. Investor or owners provide the company with the financial support it needs. The company cannot exist without them, thus they greatly influence organizational management. Employees are comprised of those who work for another or for an employer in exchange of salaries. SWOT Analysis. The organization's internal environment must also be subjected to internal analyses. Internal strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats, SWOT, with regards to its resources, financial, physical, mechanical, technological and human resources, research and development, endeavors, production of goods, procurement of supplies, materials, inputs and finance, and products and services must all be considered prior to organizational planning. Before a company jumps into a project, they see to it first that they have done the SWOT analysis. Please study the diagram of SWOT analysis. The strengths and the weaknesses are for internal business environment, and opportunities and threats would be for the external business environment. For the internal analysis, companies determine their strength and weakness. For the external analysis, companies determine their opportunities and threats also compared to other companies.
That's all for today. Until the next vlog. Bye bye.